Hey, everybody's talking about the good old days, right? Everybody, good old days, good old days. Well, let's talk about the good old days. Ang sarap isipin ng mga bagay na paligaya sa atin noon, di ba? Katulad ng first love mo, naalala mo pa ba? Madalas kayo mamasyal, manood ng sine, kumain sa labas, at kung ano-ano pa. Kung minsan nga, kulang pa rin isang araw para makasama mo siya. Madalas mo siyang halikan sa cheeks, sa lips, sa eyes, sa nose. May hawak-hawak ka pa sa kamay. Tinitingnan mo mga mata niya. Sinasabi mo, I love you. Pero bakit gano'n ang panahon? Kung sino pa yung mahal na mahal mo, siya pang nawawala sa'yo. Siya pa na kasing halaga ng buhay mo. Can it be that it was all so simple then? Or has time rewritten every line? And if you have the chance to do it all again, tell me, would we? Could we? Memories light the corners of my mind. Misty waters, colored memories of the way we were. Scattered pictures of the smiles we left behind, smiles we gave to one another for the way we were. Oh, can it be that it was all so simple then? Or has time rewritten every line? And if we had a chance to do it all again, tell me, would we? Could we? Ala-ala nang tayo'y mag-sweetheart pa, na mamasyal pa sa Lone.